So Shiloh and I both love to hike. But what comes with hiking is some insect bites.
Tons of them.
Yeah. These woods in Wisconsin are no joke.
No.
So we're going to make a bug off roll-on to help repel those insects. So for this recipe, you will need 3 drops of lemon eucalyptus, which is a natural insect repellent, and 1 drop of clove essential oil, which also can help repel insects. And you'll need 10 milliliters approximate of fractionated coconut oil. You're just going to fill the rest of this 10 milliliter bottle up with coconut oil.
And for you subscribers, everything for this recipe is included in your box and your bonus box.
Woo, woo. To start, we're going to open up this 10 milliliter bottle and pull open the cap. And a funnel is helpful for this too. Alright, 3 drops of lemon eucalyptus. If you've used a natural insect repellent before, you will recognize this aroma because it is super good at repelling insects. 1 drop of clove. Alright, we'll give this a swirl so that these oils mix, and then we'll fill it the rest of the way with fractionated coconut oil. Alright, you can put the lid back on, give it a shake to mix it up. Alright, once that's all mixed up, it's ready to use. You just make sure you label it, and you can apply it to your pulse points to help repel insects.
Perfect. I'm going to bring this in my hiking bag.
Nice. Good tip. And you can reapply this as needed. You'll probably want to about every hour or so to help to make sure you're repelling those insects.
And you're not sweating it off.
I'm Katie.
And I'm Shyla.
We're certified aromatherapists for Simply Earth, and we love teaching people how to use essential oils.
So Katie and I just made a Don't Bug Me roll-on. So you can find more recipes just like this at simplyearth.com. Make sure you hit subscribe now to the recipe box.
Thanks for watching.
See you later.